guys! Today gagawa tayo ng ating ensaymada, and for our ingredients we have 3 and 1/2 cups of plain flour, and we have half cup of sugar, 1 cup of warm milk, this is 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 extra large egg, and we have our 2 teaspoons of instant dry yeast, and we have our 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So, umpisahan na natin, guys. So, we are going to put our and we are going to add our sugar, of course, our salt, and our instant yeast, then our warm milk, and our butter, Sakit masa, guys. Old. Fold, press, fold. So guys, lagyan natin ng konti oil ang ating bowl. Tapos, i-grease lang natin ng oil, guys, para ang ating dough. So, ito na siya, guys. Ito na siya. So, i-cover lang natin siya for 1 hour, guys. Yan. Yes, after 1 hour. So, ito na siya, guys. 1 hour. After 1 hour, guys, ito na siya. Ready na. Ready. Maybe 6 grams. Um, an hour, guys, and an hour and few minutes. So, i-brush na natin lang muna, guys, ang ating It's how to go, okay? It's 5:20. Tingnan natin guys sa ating oven. Yes, this is now our ensaymada guys. Tingnan natin dito. Siya mag. Lagyan ng butter. Kung meron kayong mainit. Tapos guys, dip natin sa ating sugar. Nakagawa na tayo ng ensaymada. Tapos guys, ganito lang natin siya guys, oh. Tapos, ganito lang siya guys, oh. Tapos, so, same procedure. So, yun. Our final product guys. So this is Taste Home. If you haven't subscribed yet to Taste Home, please do subscribe guys. Meron na tayong ensaymada. So our final product. Na to, itong init pa mag-dry. Ensaymada guys. So ensaymada for everyone. Tingnan nyo guys ang texture. Parang natatakam-takam na ako guys. Look at that. So that is our final product guys. Our sign. Wow. Thank you for watching everyone, and this is Taste Home. Please subscribe and share. Bye-bye.